Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Wall Street Bets, and just for some people who might be watching this in the future, I'm going to provide a little bit of context. So this week we have seen a very volatile market, and that has led to a lot of great trades, and also a lot of terrible trades, and a lot of people on the forum showing off their boasts, and their wins and their losses. Anyway, so if that sounds good, please do leave a like and subscribe, and check out the Wall Street Bets playlist, because I've got loads of videos like this, and even a lot more coming. So we're going to jump into our first trader and see what they have done. So this person hasn't lost out this week, and they can see a minus 39.91% return, minus $1,596 on their trading account on Robinhood. Now this person is apparently a newbie, and they put all their money in SPY and Zoom puts 918. So clearly it's not paid off for them, and they have lost quite a lot of money, over $1,000 to be exact. So this is very unfortunate to see. However, it does kick us off nicely into our next trader, because our next trader has actually made quite a nice profit, so do stay around for that. But we can see here this person has been rather unfortunate and been caught out and basically lost. But our next trader, as I'm about to show here, has made quite a nice profit this week, and they are kind of bragging about this. Heard you guys had a rough day. Obviously this was a rough day basically yesterday, where a lot of traders did get caught out, like I just said, and lost a lot of money. Now this person, however, is showing a big boast of a huge return. Now this return is actually over 686%, and this apparently equates to around $24,000, and that is a lot of money for one day. So I want to know what this person has invested in, because like we know, a lot of things crash. Perhaps they betted against the markets, I'm not sure, but either way, that's a very big rise, and especially on such a day when so many people on the forum lost, there's quite a boast and quite a brag to be putting out there. And our next trader is about to lose a lot of money, and let's jump straight into that one. So we can see here this person is down 40%, and now they are on an account balance of $30,000, almost $31,000, and they have apparently lost almost $21,000 over the past few days. So that is absolutely terrible. And this person, however, is quite modest about it and says it's just another day at the casino. And honestly, fair play to them and great work to them, because a lot of people talk about doing terrible things once they've lost, talk about killing themselves and stuff like that. And honestly, it's just, I mean, it is deep, of course, but it's not that deep, because at the end of the day, it's only money. And when you jump into things like this is what you should be expecting sometimes, especially if you're going to jump in with your life savings. And that's why I say never to go in with your life savings, because it won't work out well. However, our next trader appears to have lost almost $2,000. It's actually $1,290 on their account today. So we can see here this is a huge loss for the one day. Fortunately for them, it's not moved at all after hours. So yeah, this person's lost a lot for one day, and it's taken their trading account down significantly. So almost a third, in fact over a third. So this person has been very unfortunate. And this is obviously on the same day when a lot of other people got caught out. So not very nice to see. However, it does sometimes happen. And especially with times in the market, a lot of people have been reporting losses. However, this week we have actually seen some nice profits, just like our next trader, which I'm about to show. So please do stay around for that. But yeah, this person has unfortunately lost out big, and it's going to hurt. But we have seen worse in the series, and we will see worse towards the end of the video, so stay around. But this person has made apparently 3,000% today, I believe. Okay, no, 254% today. And this person, I believe, is on Tesla maybe, but this person has apparently made $57,000 in one day. And over a longer period of time, they have made apparently 3,500%, and this is a basically $77,000 in monetary value. So this person has clearly made a huge rise. We can see here it says price 22 cents, and then their current price is actually $7.95. Honestly, massive return for this trader, and very good work to them, because their price clearly went up a lot. So I'm saying probably something like Tesla or Zoom. I don't really know what it is. I don't remember which day this was from. I think this was from the day before the market crashed. So there we go. But yes, our next trader here is also up. Now this person up today, and that is 526%. I believe, okay, 548% actually today, so very huge rise for $31,000, and a total return of 526%, and that's $30,000. So I'm guessing this person might have lost some money over time and then regained some. That would be the most logical explanation, otherwise the numbers don't add up. But yeah, this person again made a nice rise, and it's nice to see something like this. So they bought in an average cost of $1.73, and now this item is worth $10.83. So quite the rise there, over $9 rise. So nice to see a nice win for this week, especially with so many people losing out. So very happy to actually see some decent trades in this one. I thought this was all going to be losses, but we did actually get some wins. And this is just like our next trader we can see here. And this person has apparently made 38% today. And this is equating to $420. So clearly not the largest rise in price, but for one day, $420, I'd take it, definitely. So this one works out to the person buying in Tesla at a price of $10.80 and selling out for a price of $15. So clearly a nice almost $5 price rise there, and this person has benefited from that and taken the profit, similar to what I actually did in one of our live trade videos with Tesla a few weeks ago, where we actually did something similar with Tesla and made quite a nice return over such a short period of time. Now it's interesting that this person has commented about Tesla not being in the S&P 500, which is true, but this person is still boasting a profit, so I'm guessing this is before the market crash. I could be wrong with that one. However, nice, fair play to them either way. So good work for this person and a happy trader there with a nice profit. So that brings us on to our next trader, and this trader appears to be doing not as well, perhaps, but maybe along the same lines. So this person has made it minus 95% profit today. So clearly along the same lines in magnitude, but quite a lot more when we consider the loss. So this person bought in an average cost of $31.95, and the current price is all the way down at $1.51. So clearly we can see that is a huge decline, and it's very, very painful to see something like that. That is honestly a massive decline for this trader. Commenting that they don't think they'll be able to sleep tonight, honestly, fair enough. I mean, if you've lost $27,000 in one day, obviously you're not going to be very happy at that. And this is something that happens, but this is quite rare to see on Wall Street Bets. This person losing almost all of their money simply in one day. However, it has been known to happen on the site, and we've seen quite a lot of losses. Now, towards the end of the video, we are going to see a big loss, so please do stay around for that. But yeah, this person has lost out massively on this trade, especially on the one day, even on the longer period. But yeah, total return is massively down, and even the one day is also hugely down. So very unfortunate to see this trader losing out so much. But you know, this is what you get into when you trade. So here we have a huge rise apparently. Now this is apparently 50k to 1 million, and I can believe this one because when we look at the time period, we're talking over a longer period of time. So this person is saying that it's 2017. So since 2017, as we know, when we actually analyze the price of Tesla stock has been rising massively over the past few months. And yeah, we can completely believe that this is true. And this person has made such a huge return from Tesla. So this person has basically come up from 50k to 1 million, and I can believe that 100%. And I like the comment below this that says, I wonder if Elon actually gasps about the amount of lives he has changed in this sub. And actually, a lot of the wins, especially in more recent times, have come from Tesla because it is quite a large and quickly rising stock. So it is very nice to see another Tesla winner here, and this person has actually made a huge profit, and this is over 2000%, and this just goes to show the growth that Tesla company has had over the last few months. Now this brings us on to the worst trade of this video. So this is a loss side, and this person has lost out on such a huge amount of money, so their account has gone down almost 100%, and the shame for this person is it honestly all looked so good before. So we're going to flash to that in a second, but this is the losing side. And yeah, this person has lost almost all of their money, and this is extremely unfortunate. But yeah, we can see this over a long period of time, and this person has lost out. So not nice to see these kind of things happen, but they do happen, especially over this year. I don't know what this person has invested in, but basically their market has gone flat, and it doesn't appear to have moved for quite a substantial period of time, being as this is a 1 year graph. We can see towards the middle of the year, this started to go down, but the shame is when we look at the longer period of time, when we zoom out to what was happening before, we can see this person was actually up quite a large percent. So until basically the middle of the year, I believe, this person went down. So this was February when it started to go down, and this person got caught out quite a lot, and it doesn't appear to have risen since then. So yeah, their account balance was about 186,000, and it's risen, and it's depleted even to only a few $100. So quite the decline there. But you know, these are the kind of things that happen when you invest And we all knew that something bad was going to happen with the market, but we didn't think it was going to be that bad. But we all can see in retrospect what happened and how it all played out. So not good to see this happen. However, it is what it is. And bear in mind, you can always build it up from there. I mean, it's going to take a long time, especially with such a small amount. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And do click on any of the videos on the screen because they will be enjoyable, especially if they are in the Wall Street Bet series. But also we have educational videos on the channel, which you can watch as well. I'm sure you will find them quite interesting and fun. And if you do, leave a like on them as well, and do subscribe like I've said, because if you subscribe you will see all the future content when it comes out, as soon as it comes out, especially if you turn on the bell, so make sure you do both those things. Anyway, I will see you in the next one on Wall Street Bets, which will hopefully be soon this week. Anyway, thank you very much, goodbye.